The second feature of the operating system is error handling. For example, sometimes when we are working on the computer and we are printing papers, a message appears on the monitor that says out of paper. The OS is responsible for this message to appear on the monitor. Now let's look at this example more closely to understand better. So this is the printer, and the printer will send a message to the computer that it is out of paper. The part of the computer that receives this message is the operating system, the OS. And the OS interprets this message in order to know what to do. After interpreting the message, the OS sends a pop-up notification to the monitor that tells the user that the printer is out of paper. And in order to continue printing, you must add paper to the printer. This entire process is called error handling.